In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Gumroad to Metapixel using Google Tag Manager in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Connecting Metapixel to Gumroad through Google Tag Manager allows you to track conversions, monitor customer activity, and improve your Facebook and Instagram ad performance. This helps you optimize campaigns and create better retargeting audiences. Now, if you want to connect Gumroad to Metapixel using Google Tag Manager, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, open Google Tag Manager and access your container dashboard. After that, create a new tag inside Google Tag Manager. Then, choose Custom HTML Tag as the tag type. Now, copy your Metapixel code from Meta Events Manager and paste it into the custom HTML section. After that, set the trigger to all pages so the pixel loads across your Gumroad pages. Then, save and publish the Google Tag Manager container. Next, return to your Gumroad dashboard and open the settings section. After that, locate the third-party analytics or tracking settings area. Then, enter your Google Tag Manager container ID, which usually starts with GTM. Once added, save your settings. Now, test the tracking setup using the Metapixel Helper browser extension to confirm events are firing correctly on your Gumroad pages. You can also use Metapixel for tracking purchases, building retargeting audiences, and improving ad optimization performance. Usually, tracking issues happen because of incorrect GTM container IDs, unpublished tags, missing triggers, or invalid Metapixel code, so carefully review your configuration before running ads. That's it. By connecting Gumroad to Metapixel through Google Tag Manager properly, you can track conversions and improve your advertising campaigns much more effectively.